A new seating plan between two friends.
Hi, did you see the seating list on the door?
Hi, yes, I saw it when I arrived. Did you check your seat?
Yes, I did. I checked it twice. What seat did you get? I'm seat number 23. It's near the window. What about you? I'm number 12 in the front row. So we are not close anymore. No, we are far this time. Do you remember where we sat last year? Yes, we were in the same row. It was seats 7 and 8. That made it easier to talk. Do you know why the teacher changed the seats? I'm not sure. Maybe to reduce talking in class. That could be the reason, or maybe they wanted to mix students. Yes, they usually do that every term. Who is sitting next to you now? I'm next to the board and close to the teacher's desk. Who is next to you? A student from another class. I don't know him well. Is he quiet? Yes, he doesn't talk much. That may help during lessons. That's true. Can you see the board clearly from your seat? Not always, but I can move my chair if needed. Can you see the whole class? Yes, but the teacher can also see me very clearly. That means fewer chances to use your phone. Exactly. Phones are not allowed in the front row. Do you think the seating plan will change again? Maybe next term. They usually keep it for a few months. That means we need to get used to it. Yes, we probably won't talk much during lessons now. Only during breaks or lunchtime. Or during group work if we are placed together. That depends on the teacher's decision. Did you notice the numbers on the desks? Yes, each desk has a small label. That helps students find their place quickly, especially on the first day. Some students were confused earlier. Yes, I saw a few checking the list again. The bell will ring soon. Yes, students are already sitting down. Do you remember your seat number? Yes, 23. And yours? 12. Front row. Near the board. Okay, we should go to our seats now. Yes, before the teacher arrives. Let's go.
Comparing results after the test.
Did you get your test results back? Yes, I got them this morning. What about you? I got mine too. Did you check all your grades? Yes, I checked them one by one. Which subject do you want to start with? Math. What grade did you get? I got 14. And you? I got 12. It's close. Yes, only 2 points difference. Did you find the test difficult? Some questions were easy, but others took more time. Same for me. What about English? I got 15 in English. How about you? I got 16. The writing part helped me. Yes, the reading section was long. Did you finish on time? Just in time. I had to check my answers quickly. What about science? I got 13. I made a small mistake. I got 14. The last question was tricky. Yes, many students talked about it. Did you calculate your average? Not yet. Did you calculate yours? Yes, my average is 13.5. That's good. Mine is 14. The difference is small. Yes, it won't change much. Do grades affect the final report a lot? Yes, especially the main subjects. Math and science count more. English too. Did the teacher explain the grading system? Yes, at the start of the term. Homework also affects the grade. Yes, attendance and participation too. That's why missing classes is a problem. Exactly. Are you satisfied with your results? Yes, they are okay. What about you? Same. I know what I need to improve. Which subject? Math. I need more practice. I need to review science topics. The next test is in 2 weeks. Yes, we still have time to prepare. Are you going to study alone or in a group? Maybe in a group. It helps to compare answers. That's true. The teacher will return the papers later, so we can see our mistakes. Yes, that helps for revision. The bell will ring soon. Yes, next class is starting. Grades checked. Now back to class. Let's go.
Planning a group project together.
Did the teacher talk about the group project today?
Yes, at the end of the lesson. Did you hear all the details?
Most of them. Do you know how many students are in each group?
Yes, 4 students per group.
Are we in the same group?
Yes, I checked the list. Our names are together.
Who else is in our group?
2 other students from our class.
Did the teacher explain the topic?
Yes, it's about environmental problems.
That sounds clear. Did they say what we need to prepare?
Yes, a short written report and a presentation.
How long should the presentation be?
About 5 minutes.
And the report?
2 or 3 pages.
Did they mention the deadline?
Yes, it's due in 2 weeks.
That gives us some time.
Yes, but we should start early.
How do you think we should divide the work?
We can split the topic into parts.
For example?
One person does research, another writes, one prepares slides, and one presents.
That sounds organized. Which part would you like to do?
I can work on the slides. What about you?
I can help with the research.
That works. We should tell the others.
Yes, so everyone knows their role.
Do you want to meet after school?
Maybe tomorrow. Is the library free?
Yes, it's usually quiet in the afternoon.
That would be a good place to work.
Do we need to use books or the internet?
Probably both.
The teacher said sources are important.
Yes, we should list them at the end.
That helps with grading.
Did the teacher explain how the project will be graded?
Yes, content, teamwork, and presentation.
So everyone needs to participate?
Exactly.
What happens if someone doesn't do their part?
The teacher said individual effort matters.
That's fair.
We should keep track of our progress. Yes, maybe share files online. That makes it easier to work together.
I'll start looking for information tonight.
I'll begin planning the slides.
We can combine everything later.
Yes, before the presentation day. The bell is about to ring. Yes, next class is starting. So group project first, then regular lessons. All right, let's talk to the others later. Okay, see you after class.
Inside the parent-teacher meeting.
Good afternoon. Thank you for coming today.
Good afternoon. Thank you for meeting with me.
Did you find the classroom easily?
Yes, the directions were clear. Is everything ready?
Yes. I wanted to talk about your child's progress this term. Have you already seen the report?
Yes, I reviewed it at home. I wanted more details.
Of course. Which subject would you like to start with?
Let's start with math. How is the performance?
Math results are average. The understanding is good, but speed is an issue.
Does that affect test results?
Yes, especially during timed exams.
What about homework in math?
Homework is usually completed, but sometimes submitted late.
I see. How is science?
Science performance is stable. Participation in class is good.
Does my child ask questions during lessons?
Sometimes, especially during experiments.
That's good to hear. How about English?
English is one of the stronger subjects.
In which areas exactly?
Reading and writing are both strong. Speaking is improving.
Does participation affect the grade?
Yes, participation is part of the final score.
What about behavior in class?
Behavior is appropriate. There are no discipline issues.
And attendance?
Attendance is good overall, with only a few late arrivals.
Do late arrivals cause problems?
They can interrupt the lesson, but it has not been serious.
What about homework in general?
Homework is usually completed, but sometimes submitted late.
I see. What about art classes?
Art performance is good. Lessons enjoyed. Creativity is high.
How is music class?
Music is solid. Participation in group activities is excellent.
Do students have choices in art?
Yes, they can choose from different mediums.
Any extracurricular activities?
There will be a chess tournament next month. Sign-ups are next week.
Are there any opportunities for volunteering?
Yes, there is a food drive for the community.
Will parents be informed of upcoming events?
Yes, a newsletter will be sent out monthly.
Is there anything else I should be aware of?
No, that covers the main points.
Thank you for the update.
Thank you for your time. Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Choosing a school club.
Did you see the notice about school clubs?
Yes, I saw it on the board. Are you thinking about joining one?
Maybe. Which clubs are available this term?
There are several. I saw a sports club, a science club, and a music club.
That's a good number. Which one interests you?
The science club. What about you?
I'm thinking about the sports club. Did you read the details?
Yes, the science club meets twice a week after school.
What days?
Tuesday and Thursday.
That sounds manageable. How long do the meetings last?
About 1 hour.
That's not too long. Do you know what they do in the science club?
They work on small projects and experiments.
That sounds useful.
Yes, and it helps with class topics.
What about the sports club schedule?
I think it's on Monday and Wednesday.
That works for me. Do you need to register?
Yes, there is a sign-up sheet.
Where is it?
In the main office.
Is there a limit on the number of students?
Yes, some clubs have limited places.
So we should sign up soon.
Yes, before the end of the week.
Do clubs affect grades?
Not directly, but participation is noted.
That can be helpful.
Yes, teachers like active students.
Do clubs require extra work?
Sometimes, but it depends on the club.
I think I can manage it with homework.
Me too, if I plan my time.
Do clubs meet during exams?
No, they usually stop during exam weeks.
That's good.
Are you joining alone or with friends?
Probably with a friend.
That makes it easier.
Do you know who runs the science club?
Yes, the chemistry teacher.
And the sports club?
The physical education teacher.
All right, I'll check the sign-up sheet today.
I'll do the same.
So we might join different clubs.
Yes, but we can still talk about them.
That's true.
The bell is about to ring.
Yes, next class is starting.
Let's go to class now.
Okay, we'll decide later.
Waiting for the bus after school.
Are you waiting for the school bus?
Yes, it should arrive soon. What about you?
I'm waiting for the same bus. Did your last class finish on time?
Yes, it ended a few minutes ago. Was your class long?
A bit. The teacher reviewed homework. Which subject was it for you?
History. We talked about the next lesson.
Did they give any homework?
Yes, a short exercise. Did you get homework too?
Yes, for math. I need to finish it tonight.
How long does the bus usually take to arrive?
About 10 minutes after the bell.
It's already been 5 minutes.
Yes, it should be close.
Is this your usual bus stop?
Yes, I use it every day. Do you always take the bus?
Most days. Sometimes I walk.
That must take longer.
Yes, around 30 minutes.
The bus is faster,
Yes, but sometimes it's crowded.
especially on Fridays.
Yes, many students leave early.
Do you usually get a seat?
Not always. I sometimes stand.
Same for me.
Where do you usually sit?
Near the window, if possible. What about you?
Near the back.
It's quieter there.
Yes, and less crowded.
Did you check the bus schedule?
Yes, it's posted near the gate.
Sometimes the bus is late.
Yes, especially when traffic is heavy.
I see other students arriving.
Yes, more people are waiting now.
Do you take the bus straight home?
Yes, do you stop anywhere?
No, I go directly home.
That's easier.
Yes, it saves time.
What do you usually do on the bus?
I listen to music or review notes. You?
I look out the window.
That helps pass the time.
Yes, I think the bus is coming.
I see it at the corner.
We should get ready.
Yes, students are lining up.
Let's stand closer.
All right.
Bus first, then home.
Lunchtime conversations.
Is it lunchtime already? Yes, the bell rang a few minutes ago. Did you bring lunch today? No, I'm going to buy food. What about you? I brought mine from home. Do you know what's on the menu today? I think they have rice and chicken. Did you check the board? Yes, I saw it near the entrance. Is the line long? Not yet, but it will be soon. Should we get food first or find a place to sit? Let's get food first. Where do you usually sit? Near the windows. It's quieter there. How about you? I usually sit outside if the weather's good. That's a good option today. How long is the lunch break? 30 minutes. Is that enough for you? Yes, if the line moves fast. Do you ever skip lunch? Sometimes if I'm busy. Do you? Not really. I prefer to eat before the next class. That helps with focus. Yes. What class do you have after lunch? Science. And you? Math. Do we need to go to a different room? Yes, room 6. Then we should not be late. Yes, the teacher is strict about time. Do you eat quickly or slowly? Usually quickly. What about you? It depends on the day. The cafeteria is getting crowded now. Yes, more students are coming in. Do you want to sit inside or outside? Outside if there is space. Let's check. I see a table near the fence. That should work. Do you bring the same food every day? No, it changes. Today it's pasta. That sounds good. Do you buy lunch every day? Most days, it's easier. Yes, but bringing food saves money. That's true. How much time do we have left? About 15 minutes. That's enough. We should finish soon. Yes, and throw away the trash. The bell will ring again. Yes, lunch break ends quickly. Food first, then class. Same routine every day. All right, let's go. Okay,